In this video, you will learn how to sell crypto on CoinStats. Open the CoinStats app, launch the CoinStats app on your mobile device or desktop, then log into your account using your credentials. Go to Wallet or Portfolio section, tap on the Wallet or Portfolio to view the list of cryptocurrencies you own and their balance. Select the cryptocurrency you want to sell, choose a specific coin or token you want to sell, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum or USDT. Tap on Sell or Trade. Select the Sell or Trade option to begin the selling process. CoinStats will connect you with one of the supported exchange partners. Enter the amount you want to sell. Specify how much the cryptocurrency you want to sell, or choose the currency you want to receive, such as USD, Euros, or another crypto. Confirm and complete your transaction. Review the details of your trade, include fees and exchange rates, and confirm. Once the transaction is processed, the funds will appear in your linked wallet or exchange balance. Now you know. Now you know how to sell crypto on CoinStats. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.